James Thomas Fallon, born September 19, 1974, is an American comedian, television host, actor, singer, writer, and producer, best known for his work in television. Fallon grew up with a love of comedy and music, moving to Los Angeles when he turned 21 to pursue stand-up comedy. He joined the NBC sketch comedy series Saturday Night Live as a cast member in 1998, fulfilling a lifelong dream. During his 6 years on SNL, Fallon co-hosted the program's Weekend Update segment. He left the show in 2004 to star in films such as Taxi 2004 and Fever Pitch 2005. After his film career, Fallon returned to television as the host of Late Night with Jimmy Fallon on NBC in 2009, where he was noted for a focus on music and video games. In 2014, he left that show to become the 6th permanent host of The Tonight Show. Fallon has also released comedy albums and 7 books, mainly aimed at children. His accolades include for Primetime Emmy Awards and a Grammy Award. James Thomas Fallon was born in Bay Ridge, Brooklyn, New York City, on September 19, 1974. The son of Gloria and James W. Fallon, his paternal grandmother was a German immigrant from Oosterholz-Scharmbeck, while his maternal great-grandfather was a Norwegian immigrant from Fredrikstad. One set of his great-great-grandparents were an Irish couple from County Galway, with this great-great-grandmother herself being born to an Irish couple in France. Fallon's father spent his adolescence singing in street corner doo-wop groups, then served in the Vietnam War. Shortly after his son's birth, he started working as a machine repairman for IBM in Kingston, New York. In preparation, the family moved nearby to Saugerties, New York. Fallon has described his childhood as idyllic, while his parents have been described as overprotective. He and his older sister, Gloria, were unable to leave their home and had to ride their bicycles in the backyard. Fallon attended the Roman Catholic school St. Mary of the Snow. He considered becoming a priest, inspired by his experiences as an altar boy, but became more interested in comedy instead. He spent many nights listening to the radio program The Dr. Demento Show, which exposed him to both comedy and music. He often recorded it on a reel-to-reel recorder. As a teenager, Fallon developed an obsession with the late-night comedy program Saturday Night Live. He watched it religiously, although he was only allowed to see the clean parts that his parents taped for him. He and Gloria would reenact sketches such as the Festrunk Brothers with friends. In his teens, he impressed his parents with impersonations, including of actor James Cagney and comedian Dana Carvey. He was musically inclined and started playing guitar at age 13, going on to perform comedy and music in contests and shows. By his junior high years, he was labeled a class clown, but was also described as nice and well-mannered. At Saugerties High School, Fallon was a performer in most stage productions and was twice a class social director. He won a Young Comedians contest with an impression of Pee Wee Herman. He graduated in 1992 and then attended the College of St. Rose in Albany, New York, where he was a computer science major before switching to communications in his senior year. He was an average student who would perform stand-up comedy on weekends. He would often board buses from his aunt's house in Fort Hamilton to perform sets at Caroline's on Broadway in Times Square. He did not graduate, leaving college a semester early to pursue a comedy career. "14 years later, in May 2009, Fallon returned to receive a Bachelor of Arts in Communications awarded by St. Rose officials who granted him experiential learning credits for his television work. He joined his classmates at the Saratoga Performing Arts Center to collect his degree, where along with his BA, he was also awarded an honorary Doctor of Humane Letters. Personal life, Fallon married film producer Nancy Juvonen on December 22, 2007. They initially met on the set of Saturday Night Live, but they did not become friends until later on the set of Fever Pitch. Fallon proposed in August 2007 with a bespoke engagement ring on the dock of Juvonen's family home in Wolfeboro, New Hampshire. They were married 4 months later. Their daughters were born via surrogate in 2013 and 2014. They own a house in Sagaponack, New York, and previously lived in Gramercy Park, Manhattan. They also have a female English cream golden retriever named Gary Frick that has appeared on Late Night with Jimmy Fallon. On November 4, 2017, Fallon's mother Gloria died from undisclosed causes at the age of 68 at NYU Langone Medical Center. Scheduled tapings of the following week's Tonight Show episodes were canceled 1 week later. Fallon paid tribute to his mother following that night's monologue, becoming emotional and calling her the best audience. Fallon was raised Roman Catholic. In a 2011 interview with NPR, he expressed his fondness for the Latin Mass, but he stated he was no longer a regular churchgoer. Health problems. On June 26, 2015, Fallon suffered a ring avulsion injury when he tripped over a rug in his home and tried to break his fall by holding onto a countertop, causing his finger to nearly get torn off by his wedding ring. He was taken to the emergency room and then sent to a surgeon who performed microsurgery on his finger. He spent 10 days in the ICU before going home. He discussed this on the July 13th episode of The Tonight Show and thanked the doctors and nurses who helped him. A month later, he was still expecting to spend another 8 weeks without any feeling in his finger. In an interview with Billboard magazine in September 2015, he explained that his finger still had limited mobility and that another surgery would be required. He reiterated this point at the 67th Emmy Awards on September 20th, 2015, when he appeared in public without his finger bandaged for the first time since the accident. On January 4th, 2022, Fallon announced that he had tested positive for COVID-19 over the holiday season. He thanked medical professionals and credited the COVID-19 vaccine with making him lucky enough to only have mild symptoms. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the spectacular world of 1,000 vlogs.